This is the addition strategy, doubles, plus or minus 1. This strategy is used when you're adding two numbers that sit beside each other on the number line. For example, 6 plus 7, you'll see that 6 and 7 are right beside each other on the number line. When numbers are next to each other on the number line, we can use the doubles to help us solve the problem. So in this example, 6 plus 7, you can see 6 plus 7, and we're going to be able to use doubles that we already know. You can double the smaller addend. So this and this, those are the addends. This one is the smaller addend, so we're going to double 6. 6 plus 6, and you'll see that here on the Reckon Rec, 6 plus 6. We know that 6 plus 6 equals 12. So we've already added that 6 and this 6, but we still have this one here. So we're going to add it on right here. So we know that 12 plus 1 is 13. The other way that you can do it is you can double the larger addend. So here we've got the larger addend, which is 7. So we could think 7 plus 7. We know that 7 plus 7 is 14, but we had to add one in here that isn't actually there. So now we need to subtract it. So we can do 7 plus 7 minus this one, and 14 minus 1 is 13. So this works whether the larger addend is at the beginning or at the end, as it was in the last example. We can still double the larger addend, 8 plus 8, and then subtract this one, or we can double the smaller addend, 7 plus 7, and add that last one. To develop an understanding of this strategy or any strategy, you always want to start with the manipulatives. So in this example, I just used some circles as manipulatives, but you might want to use bingo chips if you have them at home. You could cut out pieces of paper, whatever you have at home that you can use. You can see that 7 plus 6, we've got a line of 7, we've got a line of 6. Now we can either double the smaller addend and add that one, or we can double the larger addend and subtract this one. You could also use the 10 frames. Here you can see 7 plus 6. You can double the 7 and subtract 1, double the 6 and add 1. And here, as in the example that I used in this presentation, you could use a Reckon Rec. So whatever works for you. Once you understand the strategy with the manipulatives, you can move on to the practice questions without the manipulatives. If it would help, you could write out a list of all of the doubles up to 9 plus 9, just so that you have those for quick reference when you're practicing at first. And once you're very comfortable with that, then you could take that away and just do a practice question like 4 plus 5 by saying, well, I know 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 1 more is 9. Good luck.